guys, Dorothy here at Done by Dorothy, and we're here today. I thought I would come and share a small Walmart haul with you. I hit up Walmart clearance over the weekend and found some goodies, and when I find goodies, I always try to share them. So I found like the Cousins DIY, the jump rings, and I found those, 75 cents a pack. Can't beat that. The bead caps, these are silver, they're 8 to 12 millimeter, 120, 75 cents. And just some of the gold ones that are really, really pretty ones. The small and the large ones, 150 are in here, and they go from teeny tiny up to big. So I like the fact that you sort of can adjust the sizes that you need. Again, they were 75 cents. I thought that was a good deal for those. And then I got these, and I unwrapped them so I could show you. I think, let's see. Yeah, this is the king size. So this was $2.24. Had been $8.97. It's the pillow shams. It is one piece, but it is really large. Let me see. I'll have to show it to you in two parts because it's that big. So here's the one, and it has this pretty stripe at the top. I mean, how perfect is this for a journal cover? I mean, and it's already ready to go. Sorry, it's gonna catch because of all the crazy colors. And then the other side is this one with the blue. And hopefully that, if I can angle it, it won't do that. So yeah, and then the final one is a repeat of the first one. So 3 pretty large quilt blocks, plus all the scrap fabric around the outside edges for $2. I'll call it a win. Plus you have all the backing fabric, and it's real thin cotton. So this would be great to use for like quilt toppers, covers, whatever you want to use it for. So I got that. And again, that was the king size. Oh, nope. Yeah, that was the king size. So it was $2.24. Then they had a standard for $1.74. And it just has the 2 squares, not 3. But it just has the 2. And hopefully it won't go crazy. Let me see. There we go. So it has the 2 side by side, but it's identical to the other one. $1.74. If I went to buy just the fabric to make the quilt blocks, I would spend more than $1.74. So, and it's already sewed together. I can just cut it down with my rotary cutter to what size I need, and boom, I'm good to go. So I thought that was a great deal. They were Sergeant art, but I'll try anything. These are the watercolor crayons. They were $2.12 a pack, had been $8.50. So got a couple packs of those. So we'll be trying those on some stuff here in the future. And then I took these out of the pack already. I wish I hadn't, or off the strings, so they'd be easier to show. I got all of these were 1 strand, and they're all like beachy charms. There's a seahorse, a shell, a starfish, that type of thing. It was $1 a strand. I'll just try to scoop these out so I can show you. Oops. There's these. They're gold and silver and sparkly. They were $1 a strand. And all of these, most of these are all glass. These even have the bead caps, the real fancy bead caps. Little sparkling rhinestone spacers, clear and pearlized. And again, they're all glass. Those were $1.15 a strand. These were $1.15 a strand. And they're just absolutely gorgeous. So loved those. These were $1.15. And these are really cool because you have individual beads. And then there's beads there where they're dual, where there's 2 stuck together, which I thought was pretty cool. And they're real shiny and sparky. And again, they're glass. These, and I mean, they've got the little shiny crystal-y ones too. And they're gold. These were absolutely gorgeous. And they come with the little bead caps that fit them too. So I thought that was pretty cool. And again, these are all glass. And there was 2 of those. Then there's these. I mean, how great are these for gypsy journals and things like that? And again, they're glass. And a nice size hole, so you can do quite a bit with them. There were the little gemstones like that, a bunch of those, $2 a strand. This was one of the little $5 packs you normally get that is like the colored mix where they have all the different colors in it. And it's got tassels and a little bit of everything in it. There's a little purple rose, there's glass, there's the little mirrored ones, all kinds of stuff. These were marked down for $2.50 for the whole entire pack, so I got all of those for $2.50. The pendant itself would normally be $2.50. Let's see if I can get in here and get a hold of any of these. I got these. They're the large ones, but they also came with the smaller ones that have the really pretty, almost like star-shaped bead caps with them. Those were $1.15. These were $2 a strand, but you got a large, a small, and a medium. And there's the medium. There's a small. And the large ones. These are plastic. The turquoise ones were the only plastic ones. But this is like my favorite color. So I think there was this was only 3 different strands. So this was, no, 2 different strands. This was $4 worth of beads right here. So I thought that was good. Then right now, because, you know, of everything slowing down, they have all the mask chains. They were marked on clearance for $1. And my daughter took the other one. There was just a solid gold strand, but she kept it. But yeah, so I mean, how great is that? And you got a ton of little sparkles that you can add to something because you can take them apart. And then they had this one that had all different colors of the crystals. So I thought I could take those apart and use those. And for $1 a piece, and you get 2 of them on a thing. So that was a pretty good deal. So that was the beads. So it was quite a few beads, and I think I got everything that I got came to like $19 or $20. And then they also had, let me get out all 3 colors so I can show you, because I got multiples of these because they were so cheap. They have this is Gwen Studios, which is more of your upper level crafting supplies at Walmart. And they had the ribbon. So like this is the brown. This is called burlap. It's burlap ribbon. But this is the brown or the tan burlap ribbon. And then it has the matching bows. So I got, I think, 3 of each of these. That was all they had. But yeah, so you get the matching bow and the ribbon. I thought that was a good deal. 75 cents for the roll and 75 cents for the ribbon. So $1.50 for a roll of ribbon and bows that match. Yeah, I'll do that any day. And then they had the teal, which again is my favorite color, and these match my beads, so I was super excited about those. So I got those. And then the pink. And again, they were 75 cents, so $1.50 for the bows. And I got, you know, 3 rolls and the ribbon and 3 packs of the bows because I thought that was such a good deal. Because these had regularly had been, I think, close to $4 at my Walmart. I think like $3.98 is what they had been. And you know, the little bows are already tied, so it's literally pull them off and stick them down. I mean, for a cover of a journal, yeah, you can use this wrap and then maybe this on the corner and, you know, make it match. That was really cute. So, well, that is what I got at Walmart, but I wanted to come in and at least share and sort of show you what I had got. I thought it was a pretty good deal overall. Like I said, I spent, I think, $19 and I got 9 rolls of ribbon, 9 things of bows, 2 things of bead caps, the jump rings, the watercolor crayons, and all of those beads for $20. So I thought that was a good deal. So I wanted to come on and share that. So watch your sales. And if you go to one Walmart and you can't find it, go to another one, because my closest Walmart, which is like 8 minutes away, had nothing. I mean, nothing. I went to another one that's like 20 minutes away and found all of this. So, you know, keep your eyes out for a good deal. I'll post this. I hope you guys enjoy this small little haul that I have, and we'll be back with a video in the future real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.